guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, happy Navratri, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe it and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. So it's Navratri finally, and I know for people who fast, it is very difficult to choose your meals. So my mother specially made some snacks for all you people, and these snacks are like really healthy. I haven't made any of these dishes. My mother has prepared everything, so all the credit goes to her. Thank you. And yeah, now let's get into the kitchen.
Makhana chaat. So this is such a healthy and a very tasty snack. For this you'll need makhanas. Obviously you can buy roasted makhanas, but we roasted it at our home. Just put some makhanas in a pan and dry roast it. You can also add some ghee if you want to. Roast it on low flame and they'll become really crispy. Then add roasted moofli into it, some cucumber and boiled potatoes. You can also add tomatoes or whatever vegetable you want to add. Then add some sendha namak, black pepper powder and jeera powder, some coriander and green chilies, and then add a lot of salt ki chutney, red chutney, imli ki chutney, whatever you may call it, and give it a nice mix. We love this chutney, so we added a lot of it. You can add it according to your taste. Also you can squeeze a lime and your makhana chaat is ready. Sabudana appe or tikki. So for that you'll need 20 grams of moofli. You can also get the roasted ones. We roasted it at our home again with 1 teaspoon of ghee. And this is how the roasted moofli looks. We also went ahead and grinded this in a mixer grinder. Next, in a bowl add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and a cup of soaked sabudana, some green chilies and coriander leaves. Now add the crushed or the grinded moofli, sendha namak, black pepper powder, red chili, and now give it a nice mix. So the batter is now ready. You can either make tikkis out of it or appe. This is how an appa or appe maker looks like. Grease it with some oil and now make balls out of that batter and place those balls in the appe maker stand. You can get this easily from Flipkart or Amazon, the appe maker, not the batter. Now once you've done with this, cover the lid and let it cook for like 5-7 minutes. Then grease it again after 5-7 minutes and flip it so that the appe are cooked from the other side as well. And then let it cook for 5 minutes again, but this time do not cover it. Now if you don't have an appa maker, then you can simply grease a non-stick tawa and put that batter on it and let it cook. Flip it and let this tikki turn golden brown and your tikki is ready. Next up I have dahi papdi. This was so good. For this you'll need some mirchi wale chips, mirchi wale vrat ke chips, and add a lot of dahi in it, a lot of it. The more the better. Now in this dahi add a pinch of salt, jeera powder, black pepper powder, and a lot of salt again. Garnish this with some coriander leaves and your papdi chaat is ready. Laddu kheer. Weird, I know. You'll have to see the recipe now. Now in a bowl add 4 vrat wale laddu or also tel ke laddu, and then add 1 cup of warm milk in it. Cover this and let it soak in for like 10-15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix and garnish it with whatever dry fruits you want. Here we garnished it with some almonds and kishmish or raisins, and this is how it looks. Fruit cream, so this is my favorite out of everything. So for that, in a bowl, add 1 Tetra Pak of Amul fresh cream, and to this add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix it all together. Now add a lot of fruits in the fruit cream. So I'm adding banana, pear, apple and anara pomegranate and giving it a nice mix, and my fruit cream is ready. It was the yummiest. I loved it. So here's the final spread. I hope you like it because I love it. So this is the spread. I am loving the spread. I have clicked such amazing pictures for my food blog. If you're not following me on my food blog, you should. It is Tasty Table Tales. And so yeah, honestly, I don't like Navratra food because I don't like aloo and paneer. So, but still, I'll taste everything and I'll let you know my honest opinion and review. So I'm starting with this sadhu. So I'm starting with this sabudana ka vada and this tikki. दोनों same batter के हैं. So I'll start with this vada. Honestly, this is a nice snack. I can have it. वैसा generally भी नवरात्रा में ज़रूरी नहीं है खाना. This is nice. Also, it's without fat, so that's a plus point. बहुत tasty है, बहुत soft है. It's nice. Okay. Next is the makhana chaat. ये तो बहुत tasty है. I've already tasted it. ये तो बहुत tasty है. I love the इमली का चटनी का flavor इसके अंदर. And this is so healthy. The makhana chaat, it's very tasty, it's very healthy. ये मेरा favorite snack है इसमें से. Now I am trying the papdi. पापड़ी कौन सी? चिप्स की पापड़ी. मेरे को ऐसे गोलगप्पों की याद आ रही है रेडी के. Such amazing flavor. सॉल्ट तो बहुत ही टेस्टी है जो रेड वाली चटनी है. ऑल्सो द प्लस पॉइंट इन दिस पापड़ी चाट इज द चिप्स, क्योंकि वो चिप्स का अपना खुद का इतना टेस्टी फ्लेवर है ना, तो दिस पापड़ी चाट इज वेरी टेस्टी. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस खीर, जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लग रही शक्ल से, बट ठीक है, आई होप कि थोड़ी ठीक हो. दिस इज मेड ऑफ लड्डू व्रत वाले, जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, और दूध जो मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. अगेन ठीक है, ऑनेस्टली इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. मुझे सिर्फ रूह अफ़ज़ा का टेस्ट आ रहा है इसके अंदर से. इट्स नॉट दैट बैड, बट इफ यू लाइक लड्डूज व्रत वाले एंड मिल्क, देन इट इज अ ग्रेट वे टू हैव अ स्वीट डिश, क्योंकि ये बहुत टेस्टी लगेगा. Now my favorite thing, the fruit cream. ये मेरे लिए बनी है out of everything. This is my favorite. I love bananas in this. तो मैं वही खाने वाली हूँ, और वैसे मैं बहुत सारा खा चुकी हूँ ये. This is my favorite कि कोई नहीं खाएगा, ये सिर्फ मैं खाने वाली हूँ. So I am very happy with the meal जो कि आप बना सकते हैं. And if you make, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Tasty Table Tales. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Bye.